Well, among those who believe that that building should be demolished brick by brick, Dr. Sambit Patra of the BJP, General G.D. Bakshi, editor of India Military Review, Colonel V.N. Thapar, father of late Captain Vijayan Thapar, Kargil hero, Shailesh Gandhi, former CICRT activist, Abha Singh, advocate and social activist, and Manisha Kayande of the Shiv Sena. It's a big panel, big issue tonight. Those who say demolition is not a solution, on the show tonight, Major Devinder Pal Singh, the Kargil war heroes. Sujay Kantawala will join me in some time. Daniel Francis. There you are, Daniel. Thank you very much for joining us. Kumar Ketkar is with us. And Rahul Narvekar, question number one goes to you because you feel demolition is not a solution. Well, demolition is the only solution. Rahul Narvekar, because Adarsh is a symbol of corruption that needs to be destroyed. Because it showed how the political class, especially, the ruling coalition then of which you were a part, could sink to the lowest depths to exploit the sacrifices of the country's martyrs. It needs to be destroyed because it shows how the political class, Rahul, of which you are a part, would not even spare martyrs and their families, forget the common man from their unscrupulous ways. Why don't you tell us why you feel it should not be destroyed? Rahul Narvekar.
Well, Arnav, at the outset, let me tell you, I don't know from where do you learn that I am against the demolition of the Adarsh building. I have never said that, so I don't know where do you collect that from. Be that as it may. I think every act of deliberate irregularity has to be dealt with in the most strict manner, and an exemplary step should be taken to ensure that no such incidents ever take place again. Having said that, let me tell you, with regards to today's
you were running the government, if I'm not mistaken. Then were you running the government then? Were you running the government then?
Yeah. Now let's. Just
one second.
If you just want to sensationalize your show,
I'm asking
then
you.
It's pointless.
Rahul, I'll give you more than a fair opportunity tonight, but you listen to one sentence, okay? The fact is you were in power, hence you allowed for your own party's benefit, for your own political benefit, to gain permissions from appropriate agencies, literally abuse the name of Kargil martyrs, Congress and NCP. They fought and died for the country, and in turn, their name has now been associated with a symbol of corruption. Do you feel tonight the need to put out an apology on behalf of your party for the insult to our martyrs?
Insofar as the NCP is concerned, we have absolutely nothing. None of our leaders, none of our office bearers, none of our ministers who are in the cabinet or in the State Council of Ministers have anything to do with this scam, number one.
The issue is the issue is not that your ministers are not there,
your
1 minute, number two, are not there. But were you not a part of the government which approved Adarsh? Were you not part of the government when Ashok Chavan was the chief minister? Could you not raise your voice and say, when the letterhead said that it is for Kargil widows, then why did you not ensure that there were the widows who got those flats, not the Kargil flats?
Abha, correct me if I'm wrong. Is it true or not that there is an NCP leader who has a flat in that building, and that NCP leader now says that he's going to challenge this matter and take it to a higher court? 1 minute. What's his name?
There are over a dozen of BJP leaders who have flats in that building as well.
NCP leader, he is there and he's come on this show on times now, so many times in Adarsh. You deny that
Mr. Arnav Goswami
and it was
and Ms. Abha Singh. Let me also tell you, there are over a dozen of BJP leaders who have flats in that building.
Of course, today the day is, you have to raise the issue that Ajay Sancheti, Abhay Sancheti, the CBI supplementary charge sheet says that 8 Benami flats were given to Ajay Sancheti, Abhay Sancheti, their son and others. That needs to be investigated. Why BJP is quiet today? Who is the politician who is behind the Sancheti family, and how 8 flats? In fact, there are 33 Benami flats in those 104 Adarsh flats. Investigation needs to be done.
Is it true?
And BJP is asking the CBI to go slow.
And therefore, were certain BJP leaders also beneficiaries or not? And let's be clear about it tonight. nobody will be spared.
In fact,
if we let Sambit Patra answer that
Suresh
question.
Prabhu has a flat in that. He was the environment minister when the file of Adarsh was going to Delhi and coming back to
No,
Mumbai.
that's not true.
Suresh Prabhu should
That's not
resign
true.
today.
I must clarify here. That's not true. That's not true. I must clarify here. Let's not blame a person whose integrity cannot be challenged.
But when the Bombay
Mr.
High
Suresh
Court
Prabhu
said
was
that
not
Adarsh is a
the
symbol
environment
of
minister when
corruption,
these files were
when
cleared.
today Bombay
We
High
must
Court
clarify
says
this.
Adarsh is a
Mr.
symbol of
Suresh Prabhu
corruption,
was not the
it is
environment
standing
minister
on this.
when
It
these
is the
files were
collusion of
cleared.
the politicians and bureaucrats. It is a clear example that when the bureaucrats and the politicians get together, there is nobody to save the common man. Corruption rules the roost, and that is what Adarsh is a symbol of, and that is why it should go. Today the High Court said,
Viewers, the question that I put tonight is simply this. Look at the politicians supporting themselves, shielding themselves. And the question I ask is this, and I want to put this question to Colonel Thapar, because his son gave up his life, Vijayant, for this country, and 527 Indian soldiers lost their lives. 1,363 were deeply wounded. One fighter jet was shot down. One fighter jet crashed. One helicopter shot down. All this data and all that is important is for politicians and bureaucrats to use their sacrifice to get a multi-crore flat. And today, Rahul Narvekar, you have the temerity to fight with us instead of apologizing. The court is absolutely right, brick by brick and part by part.
Just a minute.
Brick by brick and part by part, that building must be raised down.
You are welcome to do that. But if you want facts to be placed before your show, then give me a fair opportunity.
1 second,
Number
I think
one,
you need to
no
listen to
court
the other
has
side.
held any person
Listen,
guilty of corruption.
Flats
They have
were
asked
allotted. You want
investigation.
facts? I'll
And
tell
let
you
me
one
tell
fact.
you,
I'll tell you one fact.
petition before
Rahul
the High
Narvekar
Court was pertaining to the order of demolition by the Environment Ministry.
Rahul
That
Narvekar.
order of Environment Ministry was passed by the UPA government. Number two.
Were you part of the
Number two,
UPA?
Please understand.
Were you part of the UPA or were you not?
Please
Were you
understand
or were you
that
not part
if
of the
there was
government? Were you part of the government?
If there was
Were you part of the government?
The Environment Ministry order, the implementing authority was the Mumbai Municipal Corporation, and they should be held guilty, which is being ruled by the Shiv Sena BJP for the last 20 years.
Right.
OC was given by the Mumbai Municipal Corporation.
Let Manisha
Did they
Kainde of the
check
Shiv
whether
Sena
there were any
respond?
violations on part
Manisha
of
Kainde of the
environment-
Shiv Sena.
Environment Ministry orders? No. We know
Manisha
how
Kainde
clear
of the
it
Shiv
comes
Sena.
in.
Rahul,
It's easy to blame,
I think Rahul
but
is
when these
distorting the
are
facts
brought before
completely.
you, they will be
This
exposed.
government, this land was belonging to the central government.
Madam,
And this was
Madam,
completely,
the question
Rahul is
about land
completely
was not
distorting the
decided by
facts.
the court
I think
today.
he knows
I think
everything.
you need to
He
get your
knows
facts
everything,
clear.
but
You
on
need
the
to
show
read
he's
the order
trying to
before you come on
create
national
a ruckus.
television. You
And
don't even know
now
the
they
facts.
want to create.
Do you know
The
what
chief
was the
minister
written
had to
decision of the High
resign.
Court today?
The chief
Are you
minister
aware
had to
about the
resign.
facts?
Not about
Just-
the
And
just-
we've
Written
this
decision
chair.
was only to the
And
limited
Rahul is
purpose
talking all
of the
rubbish.
order of the Environment
He's
Ministry.
talking rubbish.
And the order of the Environment Ministry was passed by the UPA. You
That
cannot
time,
hide
the
your
Congress
sin.
was in the center,
The fact
the
is
Congress
that
was
the
in the
BMC
state,
has overlooked all
NCP
these
was
issues.
there with them.
Okay.
And now they are simply protecting themselves, shielding themselves.
Viewers, look at this.
7 years
Look at this.
now,
These are the people. These
So much
are.
of
1
money has
second.
been
I heard you. I heard you now.
to
I heard you now.
coming to the
Now,
conclusion.
Manisha.
Can we-
Now,
And building should
Manisha.
be
Can I get Colonel Thapar in? Can I get Colonel Thapar in? For God's sake. His son gave up his life for this country.
Arnab.
Do war heroes and war widows
Arnab.
who lost their spouses in 1999 Kargil war mean absolutely nothing? Absolutely nothing. Just greedy
Arnab.
bureaucrats and relatives of politicians and 24 Benami owners. Rahul Narvekar, you talk about facts.
Yeah.
This building is a symbol of corruption.
No.
Flats were allotted to 24 Benami owners over deserving war veterans. Politicians should be quiet tonight. Yes, please, Colonel Thapar.
Look,
Yes, ask
What
Sambit
I want to
Patra
say
about
is- Colonel Thapar,
Benami
please.
flat
7
owner.
years ago, we discussed the same matter in the same channel, and we discussed it threadbare. Today, a landmark decision has come by the Honorable Court, and we would like to see when this is implemented. It should not happen that 7 years from now again, we have another discussion as to what progress has been done. For 7 years, these soulless people have been living in the Adarsh building, which is a monument of corruption in our country, and it should be razed to the ground. They have exploited the name, the good name of those martyrs who fought in Kargil and gave up their lives. They can keep on arguing till the cows come home. We would like to see what action is taken on the ground. Sometimes I start feeling like other martyrs that our children have given their lives in vain for soulless people who are in the helm of affairs. They are only there to butter their own lives, nothing else. This country will feel the effect of what has happened today or what has been going on in a few years to come. Think of the young officers of the Indian Army. Think of the youth of this country in front of whom the example of others on one side and Augusta helicopters on the other. I would like to know from the BJP, even one case which has been brought to a conclusion and a person has been sent to the jail, whether it is 2G, Kohl, Malaya or somebody else. It is carrying on. 2.5 years of their tenure is over, and in the next 2.5 years, whatever they have to do, they must show it to the country.
Absolutely. Sambit?
Yes. In fact, today I believe is one of the saddest day in the Indian polity. Just a second, sir. I think one of the saddest day in Indian polity, because as far as the other society scam is concerned, it is a saga of nepotism, greed, blatant violation of rules, regulations, what politicians can do to what level they can stoop down to. I mean, war widows. These housing
who has a house in Adarsh, please
I don't want to fight.
Please talk of Ajay Sancheti, who is your nominee in Rajya Sabha MP.
Please, ma'am, you can take over. You can take over.
Please come to that point. We know we are saddened. We went to the court and exposed Adarsh.
No, madam,
but please talk of Suresh Prabhu. Will he resign?
These are not
Will you
symptoms of
ask Ajay Sancheti to step down?
Want to be in a
Will the
debate.
CBI
You don't
file a
have to
criminal
score
case?
some points.
In the CBI supplementary charge sheet, the Sancheti brothers are there. Which politician is behind Sancheti?
Okay, one sec. Colonel Thapar.
They are not people in need of a roof. They are only greedy people.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
Many of them have got number of houses.
Exactly 8 houses to one person. The Sanchetis have grabbed 8 houses. Let Sambit Patra tell us. He is their MP in Rajya Sabha. We want to know that. Suresh Prabhu was Environment Minister. Today he is the Railways Minister.
Don't behave like a Augusta Patrakar.
No, it is not.
Please.
You have not spoken against Ashok Chauhan a single line. No, I tell you, I'll expose you tonight. I expose you tonight. You are a Congress agent who cannot even utter the word of Ashok Chauhan once. And you talk about BJP over here.
The second part is that the CBI should take
Congress agents who occupy the empty chair in News Arts.
Beneficiaries should
Madam, don't behave as a classic
Are you
Congress
going to let the CBI put
You
all
have
these
not
people
taken
who
the name of
got
a
flats in a
single
corrupt way?
Congress person.
Will you put them
And
behind
over here you're
bars?
shouting
My
on BJP.
question is, will you
You are a
put all
classic
people
Congress
behind
too.
bars?
Sambit, 1 minute. Sambit, remember. Sambit, if there is, Sambit, please remember this. 1 second. Sambit, please 1 minute. Sambit, remember. 1 second. Can I ask you 1 second. Gentlemen, 1 second, stop. Sambit. Please,
She would not
1 second, Sambit. Sambit, 1 minute. I'm telling you to stop. Sambit, Patra, please understand. Sambit Patra, 1 second. I think
Why
tonight.
have you stopped CBI from taking any action for the last 1 year?
I think tonight. One second. Sambit Patra, 1 second, gentlemen. Sambit Patra, please remember that if there are BJP people or people linked to the BJP who have Benami flats in that building, if there are people linked to the BJP who have flats in the building, if there is a cabinet minister who has a flat to the building, then please remember Sambit Patra, that person is as answerable as Ashok Chauhan. As answerable as Ashok Chauhan. You cannot. And please remember, Sambit Patra. 1 minute. Just one.
And the High Court said that disciplinary action needs to be taken against all the bureaucrats and the politicians. Prevention of Corruption Act
Who is
needs to
not
be
taking?
imposed.
And
you have let
Kumari
CBI
was
go
shouting at
slow.
the top
Sambit
floor.
Patra,
Rangana Kumari was saying
you
that
see
we are
the
playing
shoe
vendetta
pinches.
politics.
You tell us
When
how
we
the
allow
8 Benami
SBI to
flats the
prosecute
Sanchetis
Ashok
have.
Chauhan?
Ajay
Who allowed
Sancheti,
the
Abhay Sancheti, their
prosecution of
nephew,
Ashok
all
Chauhan? We
their
allowed
names
the
are there in the
prosecution of Ashok
supplementary
Chauhan,
charge
and
sheet.
that day
A
Rangana
party
Kumari
which
was
came for
trying
development,
political
a party
vendetta.
which came for integrity and progress
Congress
and
is
honesty.
shouting
Why
at
is
the
the
top
party
floor.
not letting
Why is over
CBI
These
work?
discussions can keep on going on
Miss
for
Rangana
months and
Kumari,
years.
Colonel Thapar.
I mean,
don't
they can
act
keep on
as the Congress
justifying.
stooge over here.
We would like to see.
Can I?
Yeah, no, let Colonel Thapar speak.
Can I please
The judge-
complete my statement?
No. One second. First of all, Sambit, listen to me now. Now listen to me, Sambit. Sambit, I want to make a point and you must let me. The point to be made here is this. So
Just
Sambit
because you
Patra,
don't have a
Sambit,
Congress
you need to
spokesperson,
listen.
don't
Now
shout at
listen. Now listen to me. Sambit Patra, first of all, I want to remind you.
No, who gave the sanction? Who allowed the CBI
Sambit,
to prosecute Ashok Chauhan?
I am
allowed.
saying something.
And that
Don't
day,
speak over me, please.
Rahul Narvekar was saying that this is political vendetta.
I will
This
not
is
allow
what the
this to
government
become
is during
a
our
political
tenure.
fight. Please, Sambit Patra, the fact
So
of
why
the
did
matter
you
is
stop
this,
Rangana
and if you do
Kumari
not
when she was
listen, it's
making a
not right.
political battle?
Sambit Patra, you need to understand that it is the relentless fight of YP Singh and Abha Singh, which is one of the reasons that has brought Adarsh into this position today. So please just don't get into personal insult zone. The CAG report
No,
says,
she would not
the
name Ashok
CAG report
Chauhan,
says,
and she would rush to BJP.
the CAG report
If she
says,
take the name of Ashok
and the
Chauhan,
BJP must also
not
feel
one.
answerable to the country.
I'd like to ask Dr.
One second,
Patra.
Colonel Thapar,
Yes,
Colonel
please,
I'd like to
Thapar,
ask
Colonel
Dr.
Thapar,
Patra.
Colonel
Why
Thapar.
should the officers and men of the Indian Army in the next battle die for these soulless people who exploit their
You're right,
name
sir.
for their own riches, enriching themselves, nothing else. They set such a bad example for the whole country.
Kargil war
One
hero.
People
You're absolutely
are,
right.
are
Kargil.
doing something wrong, others are keeping quiet about it.
Colonel
Why have they
Thapar.
not been...
Yes.
Colonel
I just wanted
Thapar.
to answer
Colonel Thapar. Colonel
I
Thapar.
just
1
want to
second.
answer
Sambit,
Colonel
1 minute.
Thapar.
Sambit, 1 minute. I remember Colonel Thapar.
Yes.
I remember 6 years back, and I'm saying something to you, sir. 6 or 7 years back, you remember, Colonel Thapar, that when we broke the story, when you joined me, you remember the levels to which we were threatened at that point of time. You remember that people said to us in times now, nothing is going to happen. You can keep doing these exposés, nothing will happen. And you remember that all of us celebrated together when Ashok Chauhan was made to resign because we felt that at least there was some impact today. So Sambit Patra, please understand this and don't be smug about. No,
I remember
Sambit.
that.
No.
No. I
7 years later, what has happened?
Listen to Colonel Thapar. Listen to Colonel Thapar and listen tonight.
Just
Listen
7 years after all that discussion, what has happened?
Listen.
We have just a judgment. That judgment will take another 10 years at least, if
Yeah.
at all it is implemented.
Yeah.
We want to see action on the ground.
You see,
We want something
Yes,
to be
that's
done
what-
so that the
No.
coming
What's
generations-
it, Sambit? It's
And
not
they
only
will
about
see
you.
that-
I also
Something we
welcome
have done.
Major Devender Pal Singh, who's a Kargil war hero.
Or
He
not,
lost.
can I just
1 second,
answer?
Sambit.
Can I
Listen
just
to the
answer?
Kargil war hero first, please. Fact of the matter is this, and I'm asking one question I asked then, and I'm asking now: who are these people who use the name of Kargil war heroes for their dirty, corrupt, and underhanded schemes, who abuse the goodwill of people and their patriotism? And on the program tonight, Major Devender Pal Singh, Kargil war hero, he lost a leg during the Kargil war, is on the show tonight, and I want to ask him, how do you feel about what the court has said today, Devender Pal Singh? When you look at the Kargil for profit scam, what are your first thoughts?
Thank you, Arnab. I really respect the judgment given by the court. But before telling anything about that, I would like to, pay some respect to the Kargil heroes. This panel, the August panel which is sitting there, I don't understand one point. Whenever you guys are on TV, why do you keep fighting with each other? Do you reach to some conclusion, or it is just a fight you showcase here also just to curb 1 hour, waste 1 hour, and then go back home and sit silently and enjoy it? Oh, wow, we have done nothing. What is the point? Colonel Thapar is asking one simple question: has anything happened on the ground? Nobody could answer, but they again start fighting with each other. Is that something you have come here for? I don't think so. So please keep the respect alive. Now coming to the judgment, the court has given judgment and you and me are actually just talking under the liberty of being a democratic country citizen. Otherwise, the matter is subjudized. It will go to Supreme Court also. Everybody knows that. My point is that there are three-pronged action which should be taken. One, anybody who is a culprit here, be it a defense officer, be it a civil officer, be it a politician, everybody should be stripped, should be bring to the justice, and should be given equal justice to all of them, right? Second point, the building which has been erected there, we have already spent 1,000 crores over that. Is raising the only solution? With a caveat that if it is a maritime security, then there is no way other round but to bring it down. But if it is not a maritime security and only the authorities can look into and reach on some conclusion, then what is the best uses which you can put? If it is being made for the Kargil war heroes and the families and the widows, why not you give it to them? Why not make something which
Agreed.
is more beautiful there? Let's think positive. The third point which is very important is that there are many heroes, hidden heroes, who have during all this progress have written to their superiors, to their seniors in the various ministries, be it MOD, be it MMRDA, be it Enforcement Director, Environment Ministry, anywhere. There are various courageous officers who have taken the courage to write and give the correct viewpoint that it is correct or it is not correct. These officers should be bring to highlight so that the rest of the citizens of India also feel some positivity that there are courageous people among themselves. There is some positive area also, and these courageous people will become an example of many others who are just hiding themselves and getting perturbed under pressure. So why not? These are the three-pronged action which I suggest should be done.
Major Devinder Pal Singh, first let me say this, that I completely respect where you're coming from, right? And I want to assure you that these debates which we are having are aimed at reaching some solution and continuing to put pressure on the system, because Major Singh, you know that in our country, the moment you stop putting pressure on the political class of this country, and I hope Rahul and Sambit won't take it otherwise, I'm not criticizing them personally, but the fact is, if you let the politicians off the hook, they will do what they want. So we are continuing to exercise pressure for that point. Now the other perspective is of General G.D. Bakshi.
I agree with you, Arnab.
No,
my only point was towards the people who are August gathering, who are sitting there, that please do not fight like class kids.
I take your point on that. But you see, the other side is tonight, and General Bakshi and Shailesh Gandhi, you see, in our country, we need to have a symbol sometimes, and Adarsh needs to be destroyed because the magnitude of the scam, right, is an insult to soldiers like you who defended the country, Major Singh. It is an abuse to the adversity that each one of our armed force members, part of 4 infantry battalions, 5 independent brigades, 44 battalions of paramilitary troops, 60 frontline aircraft, and thousands of men faced and gave in the fight with Pakistan. So when you misuse that, then the contrary position is, and let General Bakshi come in, you just hear from General Bakshi, that we need to destroy it because it is a symbol of that stinking corruption. General Bakshi first, and then I'll come back to you. General Bakshi and Major Singh. Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah.
Arnab, I would like to say that this nation is sick and tired of these kind of scams. We need, as you very rightly describe it, a symbolism. Arnab, we need a national catharsis. And I would state that the Adarsh building is the biggest symbol of all that ails this polity. It should be razed to the ground. If new flats have to be made for our widows, I as a soldier would like them to stay in untenanted flats. For God's sake, so many people have died. You can't make it up for sale. And number 2, Arnab, it is the Ministry of Defense which has objected to these flats because they overlook security zones, and this is our land. This is defense land. We don't want a private building here.
Kumar
It has
Ketkar,
to be raised.
respond.
The earlier, the better.
Yeah, and Kumar, and I just want to remind you.
I endorse the view.
I want to, however,
I
remind
endorse
you.
the view of General
Watch it.
General Bakshi.
Watch it. I want to.
Arnab, I
I want to
endorse the
remind
view
you.
of
How can I
General
talk when
Bakshi.
he's talking?
No, watch it. Yes,
Arnab,
Kumar Ketkar
Arnab,
can
can I
respond.
I endorse the
Kumar
view of
Ketkar.
General
How
Bakshi.
can I talk
Yeah,
when he
okay.
has not-
Colonel Thapar. Colonel Thapar. Yeah, Colonel Thapar.
I endorse the view of General Bakshi. In these matters, costs do not matter.
That's right.
It is a cancerous growth and it must be surgically removed altogether. It should be
Absolutely.
erased from the face of India.
Absolutely.
Because for all times it is a reminder of what low levels we have sunk to. Where we are
How many buildings are going
exploiting
to
even
demolish?
the martyrs.
How many buildings
I
are
mean,
you? One
People
second.
like Khobarkade have been
many
given a
buildings
Okay.
flat
Daniel
over there.
Daniel Francis.
People,
on
have, people who have nine houses,
Yeah.
they have been given a flat over
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Does it make any
How
sense?
many buildings you are going to demolish?
And we,
Daniel Francis, are you seriously asking that question? How many buildings are you going to demolish?
I'm
Can I
asking
answer that
that question
question?
with one person.
Can I
Allow me
answer
to
that
start.
question? Daniel Francis.
We
Allow
will
me
start
to
with
complete.
Daniel.
Allow me to complete.
Daniel, what
Allow
kind of
me
a
to
question
complete.
is that?
Arnab, I need to complete.
No, Daniel,
I
what
need
kind
to
of a
complete.
question is that? How
I
many
need to
buildings are we
complete.
going to demolish?
I need
We
to
will
complete
demolish
what I'm
as
trying
many
to say.
buildings as is
I need to
required to
complete.
send
I
a
need to
message
com- I
to the
need to
corrupt
complete.
political class
I
of
need
this
to-
country
I need
that
to
enough
complete
is enough.
what
And Daniel
I'm trying to say.
Francis,
I
Adarsh
need
is a
to
symbol
complete
of
what I need to
corruption
say, Arnab.
which needs to be destroyed because it
Arnab, I need
became
to
a
complete.
cesspool of the worst of the political class that the
Arnab, if
political
you're going
class
to
is
speak,
capable
I'll not
of.
be able to make my point.
No, Daniel, understand, you asked a very insensitive question to the Colonel Thapar and I will not allow it to go unreported. You say, how many buildings are we going to demolish? We will demolish as many
Can you please
buildings
allow
as
me
are
to
required.
complete? I didn't mean
We
that.
will, no, you need
Can
to
you please allow me
apologize
to
to Colonel
complete?
Thapar right now.
As it
He is
is.
speaking from a standpoint of a martyr's father. You cannot insult him by saying, how many buildings will you demolish?
As many buildings as it takes. Any building that is made out of corruption can be destroyed. There's no harm in that.
I need to make my point substantially. Will you please allow me to make my point substantially?
Go on, I'm not stopping you. But Daniel Francis, I expect an apology from you on the program tonight for asking Colonel Thapar that insensitive question. And Daniel Francis, I also request you to please wipe that smug smile off your face tonight, because Adarsh is a symbol of corruption that needs to be destroyed, because it insulted the contribution of all those who fought the Pakistanis in Kargil. It insulted all those who fought the Pakistanis in Kargil, who put the nation's security at risk only to be exploited by the political class for their self-enrichment. How dare you come and ask a question, how many buildings will you demolish? We demolish as many buildings as required to send a message to that political class. First, you apologize. You apologize to Colonel Thapar. Apologize to the viewers.
Okay, listen.
You apologize to them.
If you have any fairness, please allow me to complete
Well, I've been more
my
than
point.
fair with you so far.
Please allow me to complete my
And
point.
wipe
I
that
did say
smirk
that,
off your face when you are speaking to a war hero's father. Please wipe that smirk off your face,
You're not
sir.
allowing me to speak. I'm smirking because you're not allowing me
There
to
is
speak.
no, you
Soul
can't.
is dead. These are people whose souls are dead.
I'm smirking because you're not allowing me to speak. I'm not smirking because I have any insensitivity towards Colonel Thapar. Please. I was just saying that, instead of demolishing that building, please put it in good news
towards our
for the
war
war widows. Give it to the war widows. There are people who need homes, war widows who need homes. Give it to them.
Excuse me.
Well,
I
I'm
differ
sorry.
with GD Bakshi that it should be demolished.
Excuse me.
Yes.
It is a symbol of
Yes, I
corruption.
believe.
answer this?
Let everybody go to jail.
Can I
Let
answer this?
everybody go to jail.
Yeah, let them.
It's a very General Bakshi has taken a very, very good stand. I'm not defending. I'm not going to dispute
Can I
that
answer
stand.
this?
But let's be practical.
war widows need homes in this country.
You know, I said today,
Nobody takes care of
I
them.
said today,
Flats would
Why
Hundred
war veterans
flats will not
suggesting
solve the problem
that
of
these
war
homes
widows.
be
You need
given
a
to
road
war
map.
widows
You need
rather
a
than
proper way
demolishing
to
it?
rehabilitate
Okay,
them.
okay.
So just for 100
If this-
people, not
this-
because
this
the
building
court
was
has
for
said
war
that
widows,
the
give it to
symbol of
them.
corruption has
Don't
to
demolish
go.
it. That's
The
what I'm
message has
saying.
to go to the
I'm not saying this
politicians
because
and the
I support
bureaucrats
corruption
that
or
when
any
you come
party or any
together and do
individual.
corruption, there is
I
a
support that
judiciary
these
which is
homes
watching
be
the
given to war
bureaucrats
widows the way
and
they
the
are.
politicians. You put up a
And let
file,
the war
whoever
veterans
signs
like
this
GD
file
because-
took a flat.
because-
Be it the minister or the bureaucrat.
because you know why it needs to be demolished tonight. It needs to be demolished, Kumar Ketkar, so that the politicians of this country remember
Give it to
that
the
the people
people
of
who
this
need it the
country
most.
have a long memory.
Give it to
And
the
one
war widows.
second, I would
They
like to
need it.
invite
Look,
Kumar
Arnab,
Ketkar and Shailesh Gandhi on the
all
debate
the
right now,
people
please,
who are
so that we
living
can
there
take
need
this
it.
forward. My point tonight is this. One second, Kumar Ketkar and Shailesh Gandhi. One second, gentlemen. My point tonight is this. Can I please have you just for a moment pull back, please? Kumar Ketkar. You see, when I asked Rahul Gandhi, will you punish
Actually,
those?
I want the building
One minute, just a
demolished.
minute. A question.
I want the building demolished and the contract and the contract and the demolition contract should be given to the patriots of the RSS who demolished Babri Masjid in one day.
There you go, this kind
they
of-
are the perfect demolishers.
this the problem-
They could destroy Babri Masjid in
You
one
see,
day.
this
They
is-
will
this
bring,
is- this is
bring
the-
down this building
Kumar
in one
Ketkar.
day. The contract should be given to
what I
Nagpur-based
object to this.
NGO called
No,
RSS.
watch,
They are the expert demolishers. They are the expert
God.
demolishers.
Mr. Goswami.
And the building must be demolished.
No, whom have you
and
called
building
for
must be
debate?
demolished. I
Is
agree
he-
with
is he
Bakshi
fit to
Sahab.
be called as a
Building
senior
must be
journalist?
demolished, but who should demolish the building?
People
Not the
like to
army.
destroy the
Not the
sensibility
army
of
and the
the
police. Army
Why
and
are
the
you
police should
coming
not
to
demolish the
RSS and
building.
other
It should
parties?
be,
No,
it should be handed over to the patriots of the RSS to demolish the building. They are experts in this. They are experts in demolishing things. They are experts in demolishing many things. They are experts in demolishing, so they should be given the contract. So what is wrong? I am talking about them as patriots. They are the patriots. They are the patriots.
Branch of the BNP.
But they are the patriots.
Mr.
Patriots
Ketkar,
should be given
don't
the
make
cause.
frivolous statements like this.
The pat-
We don't
Arnab,
expect
this is
such
too much.
statements from you.
Arnab,
It is because of you such important
this is
situations
not
are
bearable.
Okay, one second, gentlemen. One second. General Bakshi, 1 second, please.
Demolition job
Shailesh
is a
Gandhi.
patriotic job,
Shailesh
Arnab.
Gandhi, 1 second.
It should be given to the
1 minute, 1 minute.
Arnab,
Kumar
Arnab,
Ketkar,
please.
Kumar Ketkar, 1 minute. Just a minute. Before you come in. Kumar Ketkar, no.
Don't you know that?
Kumar Ketkar, 1 second.
Mr.
Kumar,
Sambit
1 second.
Patra,
1 second.
come clean on this issue.
Okay, one second.
Don't try to bring something else. Tell what will you do with Ajay Sancheti when you take action?
Let the Augusta Patrakars not advise me. I don't take advice from Augusta Patrakars.
Don't try to cover it up
we
the
take
other way.
advice from
We
the
want
likes
action on
of, we
Ashok
take advice
Chavan.
from
We
the
want
likes of
action on
Colin
Suresh
Thapar,
Babu. We
not
want
from
action on
Augusta
Ajay
Patrakars.
Sancheti. Whose Benami flats are those? From Nagpur, how could he manage
Madam,
8 flats in
Madam,
Mumbai?
we don't need advice
Who
from
was his
Congress to
godfather?
Now, so Sambit Patra and Sambit, let's give time to the matters.
Who is the politician
Don't
who
teach
got
us
him
all
to
that.
Bombay?
Okay.
This is what we have been doing as far as the CBI is concerned. You have tried your best to protect. You have tried your best to protect Mr. Chauhan. Who does not know that? Who does not know that?
Who
Who does not know that you have
Okay,
tried your best to shield Mr. Ashok Chauhan? You
No,
are a
like
spokesperson of
Ashok
Ashok
Chauhan is
Chauhan.
not
Who does
there
not know that?
anymore. Your
You have
people
shielded
are
him all the while. You have fought for Ashok Chauhan all the
Let
while,
the
Abha.
CBI act. Let Ajay Sancheti step down.
Okay,
8
1 second.
Benami flats.
Who is
His
allowing
name
the
is there
CBI
in
to act? We
supplementary
allowed the
charge sheet.
CBI to act.
His name is
We
there
allowed
in
the CBI to
supplementary
charge sheet and
The
prosecute.
Sancheti
Charge
clan
sheet
has
and
been hiding
prosecute
behind.
Ashok
Let
Chauhan.
CBI
You are not
do the
allowing.
work. Don't influence
These people
the
who have
CBI.
9
My
houses.
request.
These Augusta
Mr.
One second,
Sambit
one
Patra,
second. Colonel
don't
Thapar is
deal
speaking,
with
please.
the CBI
1 minute.
officer.
1 minute. Colonel Thapar only, please.
This is Abha Singh.
You
Colonel Thapar only.
I would like you to ask.
Standing in
Please,
protection
let him
of
speak.
Congress.
Let him speak.
I would like you to ask
Let him speak. Only him on the screen.
Not present because
who are
Only him on
living
the
in these
screen.
very luxurious,
1 second,
ill-begotten houses.
Let him
Did
speak.
their heart move a little bit when the widow of Hemraj and the second Jawan who lost their heads on the border, they could not be given a 3-room apartment, and they are living with no conscience in these luxurious houses, having 9 houses. How can we forgive them? We cannot. How do you expect the next generation of soldiers to fight for them?
No.
Shame.
Just a minute. Don't dominate. Let's get others also in. My point tonight is this. My point tonight is, where did this start? Where did this start? 1 second to Kumar Ketkar tonight. Kumar Ketkar and Shailesh Gandhi, and let the others please allow me to moderate this. You see, Kumar Ketkar, you said, why should it be demolished? And then you went into a different spin. Rahul Gandhi told the people of this country, when I met him for an interview, and don't jump the moment I mentioned Rahul Gandhi. I just mentioned Rahul Gandhi.
I want the building
Sir, Rahul Gandhi told me in an interview when I met him. Rahul Gandhi told me in an interview, and I will speak louder than you have required. Rahul Gandhi told me in an interview when I met him that I will act against all those people involved in the other scam. May I please? And I asked Rahul Gandhi, what will you do? And Rahul Gandhi said, I will act against all the people who are named in the other scam. The Chief Minister of a state was indicted by a judicial panel. The Adarsh report clearly says that a former Chief Minister, Ashok Chavan, protected and promoted by Rahul Gandhi, gave permissions or clearances as quid pro quo. What greater confirmation of corruption is required? Rahul Gandhi promised me and the people of India he would act. He went ahead and promoted Ashok Chavan instead. Hence I said tonight that Rahul Gandhi should be the chief guest at the demolition of this huge structure of corruption. So when Rahul Gandhi sees it coming down, along with the co-chief guest should be Ashok Chavan. They remember that the people of this country have a long and unforgiving memory when it comes to corruption. There is a symbolism to this. That's why we say destroyed. Shailesh Gandhi, please. Shailesh Gandhi, please.
General Bakshi, will you please allow me?
The nation is seeing what is happening.
Only Shailesh Gandhi.
Please speak. All the time.
Do we want
all the time
only to keep fighting on these matters, or do we really want a solution? If you want a solution, let's understand the genesis of this. Arbitrarily giving lands everywhere denies the money of the poorest man in this country. And this is a constant thing that's happened. We keep on giving this. As far as Adarsh is concerned, if a structure is illegal, I am amazed that anybody says keep it going. How many illegal structures will we demolish? We must demolish every illegal structure, irrespective of whether it is for this Kargil war heroes or any other illegal structure. We are actually creating a nation which will be illegal, which will depend on illegalities, where illegalities and crime will pay. This entire panel should think for itself. Is there any question? Should an illegal criminal act be condoned? The answer, I think, is no. No civilized nation says we want to condone.
Okay, Rahul Narvekar is countering. Rahul Narvekar to Shailesh Gandhi.
I'm surprised that
Rahul Narvekar is saying something to you. One at a time. Rahul Narvekar wants to respond to you. One second. Yes, Rahul. Rahul, what were you saying?
I think the military men also need their say.
I will let you come in, sir. Let Rahul Narvekar reply, and then you can respond to Rahul Narvekar. GD Bakshi and Rahul Narvekar, please. Yes, Rahul Narvekar.
Arnab, I'm certainly not here to. I'm certainly not here to defend Ashok Chavan. But I must point out an irony of the situation today. No court of law has really held him to be guilty. There may be any judicial panel that may have recommended certain things after a study. But please look at the irony of the situation. Out of all the Lok Sabha seats that Congress contested in Maharashtra, Congress won only 2.
In the jail over there in the Arthur Road jail.
Was the only candidate who won.
Ex-CM of the NCP is sitting in the jail.
What does that got to do?
Rahul Narvekar is sitting here and he's saying he's against corruption. Now he's shouting.
Can I have Shailesh Gandhi and Rahul Narvekar, please?
Rahul Narvekar. While reflecting the whole issue and taking off on a tangent, can you answer a simple thing? Everybody who's been partner in this illegal building, should anyone benefit? The answer is no. Should it be demolished? The answer is yes. And not just this, every illegal building should be demolished. The current government is also
I am amazed tonight at the level of arrogance that I'm seeing as far as this case is concerned. So for viewers, let me remind them of a few things. Eligibility conditions for residents was violated. 22 Benami flats were found. From people who already owned flats to people who did not disclose the source of wealth to the flats whose monthly income went way above the stipulated upper income limit. All eligibility norms were violated so that a few selfish politicians and bureaucrats could get flats. The audacity with which the flats were rules were flouted is shocking. In all of this, I am asking tonight, where were the families of the martyrs? Why the hell you want to be cut up? Why do you use the name of Kargil? Why do you use the name of, do you have any loyalty to your own country and to your own countrymen?
Come in now.
GD Bakshi, GD Bakshi, I'll come to Ashok Patel. GD Bakshi is a counter to Kumar Ketkar, yes.
I would like to state, Arnab, I would like to state that I'm shocked to hear the sanguine replies and the insulting replies that we have heard on this panel. We will destroy as many illegal structures as it takes to restore the rule of law in this country.
Yes,
the Adarsh building has become a symbol of the most blatant, the most low-down corruption. When you start stealing from widows, war widows, I think you are crossing all limits, Mr. Ketkar.
Mr.
And
Ketkar.
I would like to remind you of the legality.
Arnab.
This
Mr.
land
Ketkar.
belongs to the Ministry of Defence.
Arnab.
This land the building overlooks our sensitive installations. It has to go down. Symbolism be left apart.
Arnab.
Legally, it has to go down.
Arnab.
Absolutely, and I can tell you,
Arnab,
with
at the end of the debate,
yes, yes,
Arnab, at the end of the debate,
yeah,
we must take some positive out of all this discussion. My humble request is to all the political netas and the parties that do not exploit the name of the martyrs. Leave them alone. They enjoy a certain status in our country, and that must be kept there.
Why does
the
that
moment
not
you start exploiting them, people will lose faith in the leadership of the country.
Okay. Why does that not hurt you? I'm asking you, Kumar Ketkar, why does that not hurt you? It doesn't hurt you that the name of Kargil was used like this.
It hurts me.
It doesn't.
It of course hurts me. I want you and Mr. VK Singh.
So why don't
I want you and Mr. VK Singh to be present because he was the army chief when all this was happening. So along with other people you mentioned, Mr. VK Singh should be present.
VK Singh
and
was
not only
allotting
he
flats.
should be present, but also RSS. So what is wrong in demanding that?
No.
Derive something sane from him.
Mr. VK Singh also should be present
Please, Mr. Ketkar.
at the demolition.
Okay, please.
General
GD
VK
Bakshi.
Singh
Demolition.
took a
VK
stand
Singh should
against
be
this.
present.
What?
मिस्टर कुमार केतकर आप सुधर नहीं सकते हैं. You are
Mr. VK Singh should be present. Whatever capacity he was, whatever capacity in the army he was,
You have only exposed yourself further.
he was
You
in the
are
army
reducing
at
it
a
to a
very top
tamasha.
post in which all the papers were cleared.
Ashok Patel is a
from the
member.
defense.
And finally, I want
Mr.
to.
VK Singh was one of the decision makers.
Mr. Kumar Ketkar, please be a little balanced in this one at least. Anyway, 1 minute, just 1 minute. I have with me in the studio Ashok Patel, is a member of the Adarsh Cooperative Society. Sir, you have a flat in the building? One sec, just a minute. General Bakshi.
General
Bakshi,
VK
please.
Singh took a stand against this corruption.
General Bakshi, 1 minute please. अशोक पटेल आपके पास फ्लैट है, आपके पास फ्लैट है अशोक पटेल इस बिल्डिंग में, आप मेंबर है आदर्श कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी के. आज लोग ये बोल रहे हैं कि ये सिंबल ऑफ करप्शन है, राइट?
मैं नहीं मानता हूं कि करप्शन है, बिल्कुल.
ये तो बिल्कुल सिंबल ऑफ करप्शन है.
राइट.
अगर इसको तोड़ के एक मैसेज दिया जाता है सारे देश को कि इस तरह की जो घिनौनी करप्शन है एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगी, क्योंकि जीडी बख्शी बैठे हुए हैं वहां पे, आपके पास फ्लैट होगा मगर जीडी बख्शी कहते हैं, और वहां पे कर्नल थापर भी है जिनके बेटे विजयन थापर इज अ कारगिल वॉर हीरो, शहीद है. आप उनको बताइए आज कि आपके फ्लैट होने की ज़रूरत उनके सेंटिमेंट से बड़ी क्यों है?
देखिए, मैं पहला तो ये कहना चाहता हूं कि जो आज कोर्ट का जो फैसला आया है उसमें कुछ.
आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए प्लीज, आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. वहां पे सारे देश के लोग आज रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं इस बात पर. आपके फ्लैट की कितनी कीमत होगी?
मेरे फ्लैट की समझो ना आज की तारीख में 7 करोड़.
7 करोड़ रुपए का फ्लैट है आपका.
2 BHK.
तो आपके 7 करोड़ 2 BHK वाले फ्लैट की आपके 7 करोड़ देश के जनता के सेंटिमेंट से ज्यादा बड़ा क्यों है?
नहीं, ऐसा
नहीं. आप ये जवाब दीजिए ना, जीडी बख्शी को बताइए ना.
नहीं, बख्शी साहब को ये कहना चाहता हूं कि बख्शी साहब को भी फ्लैट बेटा को मिला हुआ है, तो उनको भी पता है कि कैसे कैसे बैंक से लोन लेके यहाँ कैसे कैसे किया. 103 मेंबर का सवाल है साहब, आज एक आदमी का सवाल नहीं है. बॉम्बे में ऐसे कितने बिल्डिंगे हैं.
किनके बेटे को फ्लैट मिला हुआ है, क्या कह रहे हैं
आप
आप क्या कह रहे हैं?
आप ये बता सकते हैं कि खोबरगढ़े को कैसे दे दिया आपने?
कर्नल साहब को,
खोबरगढ़े को क्या हक है वहाँ पे?
अरे भैया मैं आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, साहब की बात कर रहा हूँ।
नहीं, किसकी बात कर रहे हैं?
जो ये फर्स्ट लेफ्टिनेंट क्या नाम
जनरल बख्शी
है, सॉरी माफी चाहता हूँ
भाई साहब।
हाँ जी,
नहीं, आप जनरल बख्शी को क्या कह रहे हैं? आप बोलिए डायरेक्ट।
जनरल बख्शी साहब को ये कह रहा हूँ कि आपको दिक्कत क्या है?
नहीं, आपने एलिगेशन लगाई थी अभी। आपने क्या एलिगेशन लगाई है जनरल बख्शी पर? आप बताइए।
जनरल बख्शी पे ये लगाया है कि पॉलिटिक्स ज्यादा करते हैं।
नहीं, आप कुछ और बोल। नहीं, आप उनके बेटे के बारे में क्या कह रहे थे?
उनका बेटा नहीं।
नहीं, आप उनके
बेटे के बारे में क्या कह रहे थे?
नहीं,
यू हैव टू अपोलोजाइज।
आपका बेटा नहीं है, मैं जो हमारे मेंबर एक बैठे हुए उनकी बात कर रहा हूं।
आप अपोलोजाइज कीजिए।
आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, सॉरी।
किसकी बात कर रहे हैं भाई? आप किसकी बात कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, जो
आप किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? आप कर्नल थापर के बेटे भारत के शहीद विजय थापर के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं। आप इस तरह से बात कैसे कर सकते हैं? मैंने सवाल आपको कुछ और पूछा और देखिए आप इधर उधर की बात करके आप किसी के बारे में भी कुछ कह रहे हैं। आप कर्नल थापर को माफी मांगिए आज। आप माफी मांगिए कर्नल थापर प्लीज। आप पहले माफी मांगिए। आप माफी मांगिए।
माफी मांगता हूँ मैं बोलता हूँ ना, सॉरी और माफी मांगता हूँ कि मेरे से गलती हुई है, क्योंकि मैं जस्ट अभी आया स्टूडियो में।
नहीं, मगर आप इस तरह के एलिगेशन, मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए। अभी आप बताइए देश के लोगों को कि आपके 7 करोड़ वाली जो आपकी फ्लैट है
जी,
वो इनके बेटे की जो शहीद हुए हैं उनके सैक्रिफाइस से बड़ी कैसे है?
नहीं
आप बताइए।
नहीं मानता हूं मैं।
नहीं, आप जानते हैं 527 भारतीय सोल्जर शहीद हुए थे। आपके 7 करोड़ की फ्लैट,
बिल्कुल
527 भारतीय सोल्जर शहीद हुए थे, उससे बड़ी कैसे है? आप मुझे बताइए।
नहीं, मानता ही नहीं।
आप बताइए फिर।
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं।
तो छोड़ दीजिए अपने 7 करोड़ की फ्लैट।
7 करोड़ की फ्लैट छोड़ने का सवाल नहीं है।
ये दिस इज द पॉइंट।
कैसे छोड़ेंगे 7 करोड़ के फ्लैट? कोई छोड़ते हैं?
कोई छोड़ते हैं?
बॉम्बे में हजारों बिल्डिंग इलीगल है, तो तोड़ो ना, सरकार को बोलो।
इसमें कारगिल का नाम यूज किया गया।
कारगिल का नाम बिल्कुल नहीं है।
कारगिल का नाम यूज किया गया।
नहीं, कारगिल का नाम
आपके कारगिल के साथ क्या कनेक्शन है?
ये तो
आपके कारगिल के साथ क्या कनेक्शन है?
कारगिल के साथ मेरा कोई लेना।
आप बॉर्डर में गए थे? आप बॉर्डर में गए थे?
हमारे मेंबर है ना कई बॉर्डर।
नहीं, आपके फैमिली आपको कैसे फ्लैट मिला?
उसके लिए हमदर्दी।
आपको कैसे फ्लैट मिला? हमदर्दी। आपको कैसे फ्लैट मिला?
मेरे को कैसे फ्लैट मिला?
कैसे? कारगिल के नाम पर आपको फ्लैट कैसे मिला? नहीं, बताइए मुझे।
बिल्कुल कारगिल
के नाम पर ये
40 साल से रहता हूँ।
आप जितने साल रहे, आप जवाब दीजिए आज कि आपके 7 करोड़ की फ्लैट 527 जो भारतीय वहां पे सोल्जर्स शहीद हुए थे, 1300 से ज्यादा वुंडेड, तो फिर अपने फ्लैट को तोड़ने दीजिए।
नहीं, उसके बड़े में
एनीवे, आई थिंक दिस प्रीटी मच क्लोजेस द डिबेट। एंड वंस अगेन Colonel Thapar, he has apologized to you, and I think he also apologized out there. Yes.
The apology of people whose souls are dead is irrelevant. They have done the deed. They have done the deed, and now what is the point of apologizing on just verbal thing? Will he leave the flat? Ask him that tomorrow he will leave the flat. Surrender the flat.
Well, I think voluntarily they won't. I think voluntarily they won't. But which is why this time it has to be demolished. And I want all these politicians to stand there and celebrate when this is demolished. Whether they do so or not, I can assure you, Shailesh Gandhi, that when this is demolished, when this building comes down brick by brick, right, when it is smashed down to pieces, don't you think the people of this country will celebrate? It will be a huge symbolic victory for the people of India. And we need that. We need that today.
I don't think the Supreme Court will entertain such a SLP at all. I'm sure the Supreme Court is also conscious of the fact that it should not allow illegal things to carry on.
Absolutely. Well, viewers, we are clear on this. This building has to be broken down brick by brick, down to dust. What do you think? Because the demolition of this building will be the demolition of corruption. I thank you all. I thank you all for joining me on this debate on the News Hour tonight.